singing and not in pain?
No chance. Sorry.
It's okay. Give me a second, I'll have him swimming like...
Like a whale?
Exactly. Strength power! He's light as a dragonfly's wing! You did it! Floof! Mission accomplished!
Very impressive.
I'm gonna turn really slowly and hope there's no whale on the beach. Okay, I got this. He just needs a bigger boost. Stand back. Strength power! Phew! Done! Homeward bound? Run! Maybe he keeps coming back because he likes you.
That's not logical. He was on the shore before we got here, and whales only beach themselves when something is very wrong.
Then we'll find out what it is. This time we'll follow him into the water and keep him there. Strength! Power!
Good call following the whale, Rosie. Now we'll see what's bothering him.
Nothing from the look of it. He's so happy. Oh! Are you hearing that? I don't hear a thing, but it looks like the whale does.
And the sound is sending him back to shore.
I got this.
Wait, we can't help him until we find out what's making that sound.
It's so loud! Please help!
On it. Constructomax, construct earplugs.
Oh, thank you! Great earplugs! Can you tell us where the sound is coming from? Not sure. It's too loud to tell. I wish I brought the tonescope. Then you could see the sound waves. Maybe I can see the sound waves even without a tonescope. Rainbow tiara visor, go!
See anything?
Everything that fish had for breakfast, but no sound waves yet. I do see something! This way, Rangers!